Hi guys, in this video today we will be making an installer file that you can use for your folders or files. For example, of this video I will be using a folder. Now what we're going to do next is get winrar. If you've not got winrar, I suggest you go and download it. It is a free software that lets you archive and compress files. So what we're going to do is add to archive. This next window will pop up here, and what we want to do is basically pick our name. I'm just going to be keeping the same thing, and I would recommend best for this. Do it to best and basically click on create an SFX archive. You will see this thing here, the name has changed to .exe. This is great. That means it's an executable file. So yeah. Okay, now what we want to do is go to advanced and then go to SFX options. If you have a path that you would like to extract your folders to, you could write the path in here. For example, C drive semicolons backslash backslash, then your directory. But I've not got a specific place that I want to, because everybody's folders might be different. So I'm going to keep that blank. After that, once you've done this, just leave the setup basically here, unless it is another exe file inside the exe file. If you understand what I'm trying to say, just you could run it after extraction. Go to advanced, files to delete in the destination folder. I usually don't touch this. You can also add shortcut files to the desktop, wherever you want, start menu. I don't do any of this either. I just use it as a single icon basically. Modes, leave that. Update module. Okay, you can write your own license. So for example, that. And the terms of agreement, you are free to use. Happy face. So once you've done that, that is basically it. Go to text and icon. You can load text from a file. You can load an SFX logo from a file. So if you want, like for example, if you wanted this icon, that would be fine. You could do that. But we're just going to be going straight into it and clicking OK now, because we've basically done what we need. Once you've done that, you can set a password if you like. I would recommend you not to do a password. Compression is basically just leave that the same as well, and exit out of that. Click OK and it will compress. Shouldn't take a minute. Okay, once it has compressed, what we want to do is, okay, it might be in a random place in the desktop. I was looking for that for about a minute there. Mine's appeared on the right hand side for some reason, but it was on the right hand side. Now, file size, it's not the best for compressing files. It sometimes adds quite a bit, but as you can see, it has just taken it down to 23. Sometimes because it's an exe file, it does add a little bit file size. So yeah, don't worry about it. But basically this is what you've just created. If we just double click on the plugins archive folder that we made. Look at the title, it says plugins for Minecraft by Vendetta V1, aka Ross Vlogs. You can accept the terms of agreement. It's pretty nice, to be honest. You can choose your destination path. For example, I'm going to be desktop. Okay. Now we'll just have to delete this one right now before we can uncompress. Extract. And basically it extracts all of the files into the desktop. So guys, I hope you liked that little instruction video on how to get an SFX archive installer for WinRAR. Thanks for watching the video guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.